welcome back to my channel. Thank you again for joining me for another video. Today's video, I'm just going to be doing a simple makeup look for you guys. I'm going to be showing you like a daytime glam look using high-end and drugstore products. But I promise you guys can switch it up, use similar colors, add whatever pop of color you like, or switch up the lipstick. Because to be honest, whenever I would watch YouTube videos for makeup looks, I thought I had to use exactly what they're using to get the same look, and you don't. You can switch it up, do it however you like, because it's you. So do you, boo. You guys know the drill. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe for me so you don't miss the upload, and I would love to hear from you guys, so comment down below and let me know what other kind of makeup looks you would like to see. So yeah, if you would like to see how I achieve this makeup look, please continue to watch, and I will talk to y'all later in my next video. Bye guys. Alright guys, so of course to start off any makeup look, it's best to prime to keep that makeup on all day. And I'm using the Laura Geller, I think that's how you say it. This is a mattifying primer. I got this from Ulta, and this is on the lower end of a high-end product. So it wasn't that expensive for it to be a high-end product. You're just gonna rub that in. And now I'm using one of my favorite current foundations, which is Clinique Silk Balance foundation, and this is also a mattifying foundation, but it actually has like a silk finish, which I love, and it's very light on my skin because I do have oily skin. My skin tends to get oily, especially around the nose and the forehead, so I do use mattifying products. Now, as you see, I'm using a concealer. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer to highlight underneath my eyes. Today I'm using a brighter color. This is the color Creamy Beige, and I like to let that sit underneath my eyes because it kind of just helps it to blend in better. And I'm just going to be using a damp beauty blender or like a makeup sponge to blend that underneath my eyes. And to set those under eyes and keep everything from creasing, I'm using the Airspun. It's kind of messy. This is the Airspun setting powder, but I love it because it keeps my face from getting oily and it keeps my makeup from creasing throughout the day. For time's sake, I went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera. I promise y'all an eyebrow tutorial will be coming soon. Okay, so moving on to the eyes. I use the same concealer as a eyeshadow primer. It works just as well, and it helps all the colors to pop. And now I'm just using my Smashbox Photo Matte eyeshadow palette that I got from Marshall's for $25, guys. So that's a beauty hack. Always check like Marshall's or Ross for high-end products. You'll be surprised. And I'm taking a skin tone eyeshadow color first, and I'm just gonna apply that around all around my eyes. I like to do this because it kind of sets the foundation and helps everything to like blend together better. And now I'm taking my Morphe 360 eyeshadow palette, and I'm using this like reddish brownish color. And I'm not gonna lie, I really wasn't feeling it at first. As you can see in just a second, I really wasn't feeling this color. But I'm just applying that above the crease area. And y'all, the good thing about makeup is you can always go back and change it and add colors for your liking and for your satisfaction, which is what I did. I went back and I added like a darker brown color. And this is more of what I was like picturing in my head when it came to this look. So I'm just adding that on top of the color, that red color that I just put down, which made it much better. And now I'm just taking like a goldish shimmery color, and I'm adding that to my eyelid and blending that up towards the crease to kind of blend those two colors together. And I was trying to find like a happy medium between doing too much and trying to keep it natural, because it was, you know, like a day event that I was going to. I didn't want to do too much, but I kind of still wanted my eyes to have some kind of color. So I went with more of like a natural but still glamorous look. And I just take a blending brush and blend those two colors together and blend out all those harsh lines around the brow bone and throughout the crease. And I wanted to add a pop of color to this look, so I'm taking like a pinkish rose gold color, and I'm taking that from my inner corners of my eye and blending it towards like the middle of my eyelid and up towards the crease. See, this just shows you guys that you can add whatever colors you like and make it yours. And I am actually kind of digging it. So we're gonna move from the eyes and back to the face. And I'm just taking a big fluffy brush and kind of dusting off that Airspun powder that was baking, and everything is nice and set now. And so moving on to contour, I am taking my Kat Von D Contour Kit. My British accent is terrible. But I'm taking like a medium contour color just to contour out my cheeks, and I like to contour underneath my chin. Contour to me kind of just adds like dimension and color to your face so it doesn't look so flat. And I'm using like a lighter color just so that won't be so dramatic, but it still adds like that warmth and that color to my cheeks and to my face. Or you guys know what I'm saying. Oh, and a little bit on my nose too. So for blush, I don't really have a blush kit, but I have this Fabulous Face makeup kit that I got from Ulta like a couple years ago actually, and I like this blush color that it comes with. And so I'm taking, it's called Rose Blush, and I'm using that on my cheekbones. And now to finish off, I'm taking my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Finishing Face Powder and just kind of dusting that all over. This helps us to blend everything together. So I went ahead and just put mascara on off camera. I was trying to put lashes on, but it was not working out. So whatever, the lashes won. I just went with mascara for the day. And I decided to add a pop of color underneath my eye, so I'm taking that same rose color that I used from the Morphe palette and just smudging that underneath onto my waterline. And now I'm just taking a little bit of eyeliner because I don't have lashes on. I just wanted to make my eyes pop a little bit more. And for highlight, I'm using the e.l.f. Sun Kiss highlighter. I love this highlighter. As you can see, I'm hitting pan. I'm almost out. I'm just applying that to my cheekbones and to my nose and my Cupid's bow. Alright, and we're almost done. So last but not least, the lips. I'm lining my lips with MAC lip liner in the color Cork. It's like a brownish tone, really pretty. And then I'm taking, of course, my CakeeBeauty matte liquid lipstick. If y'all haven't seen the video of these lipsticks, I will link it down below. And I kind of wanted to add a gloss today because I really wasn't feeling a matte lip. So I'm adding the ColourPop. I forgot the color. I'll link everything down below, but this is ColourPop lip gloss, and I love this lip gloss because it's not tacky whatsoever. Alright, and that finishes off the look. So this is super easy. As you can see, I didn't use too many eyeshadow colors. Everything is nice and natural looking for spring and during the day. So whatever event you got going on during the day, this is a really easy makeup look for you to do. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will talk to y'all later in my next video. Bye guys.